extra mile to help the department. Indeed, you epitomize the true essence of the award that you have received today. Panata ko sa bayan, or your vow to our country. I am honored to have personally conferred all of you with these awards, which you truly deserve. May these humble tokens of appreciation inspire you to continue in giving aid to the marginalized. As the old saying goes, where there is unity, there is victory. We serve as the living proof that through the strong partnership of the SWD with its various stakeholders in the 71 years of its existence, we could achieve our ultimate goal, and that is to address poverty, hunger, and inequality.